Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, unique and beautiful in itself because in this video I am sharing extremely unique, never seen before, all latest, all new hand embroidery design ideas. These are very artistic embroidery patterns and very easy to make for the embroidery beginners, for embroidery artists, for embroidery lovers at the same time. So all you have to do is kindly do follow these color combination, these patterns exactly, and you will be amazed to know very beautiful and eye-catchy creative patterns. So I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now let's move back towards our video. Friends, the most common questions which most of my subscribers, my YouTube friends and family members used to ask me, and I have addressed them in my previous videos as well, and I am answering them in my this video, that you question me about the type of thread that is required to make these embroidery patterns, the needle size you have to make these patterns. Then the answer is, firstly I will address about the thread. For embroidery thread you can use anchor or DMC, or if you want to get the 3D or creative fuller look, then use wool, simple embroidery wool for make these patterns. If you want to get some type of silky pattern, some sort of shiny pattern, then use embroidery machine threads and or silk threads. So now let's talk about the needle size. Then for wool embroidery or using wool as a embroidery thread, use 5 standardized 5 mm or 4 mm needle, and for anchor or DMC use 3 and 2 mm needles. I hope that your questions have been answered. Now let's move towards the main and the basic thing, that how and where you can use these embroidery patterns to design. What you can use to make hoop art, you can use to make customized gifts, customized scenery, to decorate your rooms, to decor your homes, to decor your walls. Even you can design dresses of your baby girl shirts, frocks. Even you can design these very beautiful and creative artistic embroidery patterns onto your shirts, t-shirts, onto your sweatshirts, onto your really everyday based dresses, onto your college, office or university going dresses, to make them more unique and creative. And not only this, you can also make these patterns onto some creative accessories like mobile cases, mobile covers, like bags, handbags, leather made fabric material based bags, and many more creative stuff. So if you really like my today's video, really like my today's ideas, then do leave comments below this video so that I could get to know that what you feel about my content, how you are liking my videos, and what you found creative, or what are the suggestions for improvements that we can make. All of your suggestions, your opinions, your choices in the comments section would be highly appreciated. So allow me to leave. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new upcoming videos. So stay tuned and take care of yourselves.